What's up, everyone? This is Henry here, and thanks for tuning in. Before I get into the video, make sure you smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, check out my description below, where you will find my social medias and my store. Alright, now, I know you guys are getting tired of this doom and gloom type of stuff, but there's going to be another video. This video is catered to the people who are unprepared. So if you're already prepared, this video is not for you unless you want to watch. Go for it. It's a free country. But I'm gonna give you 5 things that you need to prepare before the winter. So we're gonna get down to it. Heating. With high utility costs rising here in the U.S. in the war that's going on in Ukraine, plus the sanctions that we have on Russia. When I mean by we, is Europe and here in the U.S. Russia will retaliate and freeze Europe this coming winter. Europe relies heavily on Russia natural stuff, gas, oil, gas, etc. And your government, if you guys live in Europe, your government fucked you guys over big time. But there's a way to counteract this as of now. If you're not prepared, it's still not too late, and I'm gonna give y'all a couple of options here. Alright, first option. You can invest in solar panel or solar panels. They don't cost too much. And you can get a heater or multiple heaters. And also, you want to have a generator, either gas or electric or both. You can use a solar panel to charge up the electric generator, and you can use gasoline to charge up the gas generator. So, or you can, like I said, do both, or you can do neither, and you're going to be in an ice cube. Not the ice cube. This ice cube here. So, I advise a lot of people to take this advice, especially there in Europe, here, and also here in the US, because it's going to be cold here as well. And I'm going to talk about that later on in this video, and you're going to figure out why it's going to get bad after this. So we're going to go on to the next one.
15. Yeah, it was 12:15 exact. If I'm not mistaken, it was.
Now you see something. Now you see now. You done fucked up, you know that, don't you?
I
See what I'm saying?
I thought.
No, so, you know what I'm saying? That you done fucked up now, you know that, don't you?
The more questions that cop asks, the more I thought I wasn't gonna never.
Food. Obviously, food is a must of survival. Without food, you'll die. Obviously. What's to say? 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food. I think I missed shelter. Sorry, sue me. Okay, anyway, guys, you better get some food. Preferably non-perishable food, like canned goods, dehydrated food that doesn't expire for a while. You can get perishable foods, but rotate through them. And also, there's a lot that's going on with a bad harvest this year, like all year. It's been major droughts and everything as well, guys. There's been a lot of chicken flus that's been killing off billions of chickens all year. Plus, you guys got, to take the factor in with inflation, aka hyperinflation. You see on your food shelves when you go to the store, cost of that food is steady going up and up and up and up and up, etc. guys. So before it gets worse, it's not too late. Before it gets worse, you guys need to get food. Don't panic buy. That panic buying is going to come later on in the winter. People will start to freak out because people will start to really realize that the truckers are going to not be there because gas is high. I'll talk about that too as well, guys. And it takes a while for people to wake up. So I'm waking you guys up now, and you guys need to get food while there's a lot of food still on the shelves and while it's still affordable. And yeah, we're gonna go into the next one. Water. Due to severe droughts that's been happening throughout the US, mainly out in the West, this year, there's been water shortages. Example, Jackson, Mississippi. It was a flooding that concurred there, and basically the residents, or Schitt's Creek, they can't drink. They don't have any access to fresh water, so they gotta boil it or don't drink it at all, which obviously you need water to survive more than you need food. So I don't know what the government's talking about. Literally 3 days without water, your ass is going to be grass. So to prevent you from dying, I'll give you guys a few options on what to get. Number one, this a system called a Berkey system. It's a water purification. It's about how much it costs. It runs about $300 to $500 now. A few years ago, they were only like $200. Due to inflation, everything's gone up, including that. It purifies any type of water besides, radioactive crap. I don't know why you don't want to drink that. And also, if you don't have that type of money to put into a Berkey system, there's some budget options. It's called Life Straws. They're basically straw-shaped tubes that you can use to filter out bacteria and all the nasty stuff that will make you sick, or that will cause you to get diarrhea, and you'll be losing more water, and your ass going to die with shit in your pants, basically. So, and then obviously you can boil water, but that takes gas to do that, and with, like I said earlier, with the high cost of utilities, you don't want to be burning your gas stove all day to boil some damn water. So, guys, get these things while they're still here before they run out. So we're going to go on to the next one. Gasoline. Due to Russia sanctions and President Biden, aka Sleepy Joe, cutting off oil pipelines, gas will continue to go up in price. So to prepare for this, obviously you can get some gas cans and never store them in your home unless you're trying to die of fire. Guys, if you have a garage, store them there. Also rotate through your gasoline if you're planning on doing this. Gasoline only lasts so long. I think the unleaded lasts about 9 months. Premium lasts about a year, give or take. Look it up. I'm not an expert on gasoline. You also can, if you got the money, you can get a Tesla. That's what these politicians want us to get anyway, or Teslas. But the vast majority of you guys, I know you guys don't have any, don't have the money to get it. Plus, they're not very good vehicles. But yeah, guys, that's literally the only thing that you can do with the whole gas situation is to store it and rotate through it and find different gas stations, to see what's cheaper, and yeah, just keep an eye on it. But alright, we're gonna go on to the next one. Clothes. With the potential war with China and Taiwan, cheap clothing items and most of everything else you see at Walmart will be gone. Plus, there's still inflation going on, so that's saying you should get extra clothes while you can still afford them. So we're gonna go on to the next one. Bonus. Yes, guys, I threw in a bonus for you guys. Precious metals. I have a whole playlist of precious metals on my channel, So if you guys are interested in checking it out, it'll be in my description and also at the end of this video. And before I get more in depth about precious metals, prescription medication is a big must. You know, if it's snowing, got blizzard going on, black ice, you're not going to be getting no medicine, or no medicine is going to be coming to you. So you need to get it while you still can and while it's still warm. And also vitamins and first aid kits, feminine stuff, etc. guys, you know, just basic stuff that you need. And like body wash too, you know, guys. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. I ain't talking to a bunch of 5-year-olds. I don't think I am. Okay, anyway, precious metals. This is a I'm gonna briefly talk about this real quick because this video is kind of already long. This is a investment slash savings that contains silver, gold, platinum, palladium. It's pretty much like stocks, but it's physical. It's in your hand, and it's been a currency since the dawn of man. The things about these metals though is you don't want to tell too many people that you got these for obvious reasons. And I will be doing another video on how to secure your precious metals. So if you're interested in that topic, stay tuned, subscribe if you're new. And yeah, and overall it's just a thing to protect your overall you know, your wealth, and to also save, because it's harder for the average American to save money. You know, when it comes to stats, the average American only has $500 in the bank account because it's very hard to save money. With precious metals, it's harder to, you know, if you want to liquidate it, turn it into cash, it's harder to do that because you got to go to a coin shop to get the cash out of your metals. And as you see up there, don't sell silver at pawn shops. Yeah, don't go to pawn shops. That's like, you know, you're gonna get ripped off big time, and you're gonna lose a bunch of money. And like I said, I'm not gonna go too much into this. I'm gonna get ready to end the video here, guys. So I've done a lot of editing in this video, so if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Click that notification bell. Again, all that good old stuff I said earlier in the beginning. Hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, carry a gun, get prepared, and start stacking. Yeah. And as always, have a nice day.